Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll teach you how can you change chat themes on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get on to it. So let's go on over to our Play Store first or your App Store and make sure that Instagram is updated to the latest version. As you can see, make sure it is looking like this, the open button, because if it is not updated, it has an update button here, and make sure it is updated guys, because if not, then you won't be able to follow along with this tutorial. So this is mandatory guys, so just open once you make sure that it is updated. And here, go on over to the messenger icon here, the upper right corner, and go over to your chats, anything here. So go on over here to the convo of your desired account that you want to chat. So here, tap on their profile, and over here on the theme, as you can see, you can change it freely. So you can also choose what you want here. So as you can see, the Little Mermaid, let's try that. As you can see, it's now updated, so let's try another one. So let's try there and there. So change theme again if you want. So as you can see guys, it is very appealing and very aesthetic, so make sure to try this out guys. But for some reason guys, if you don't have that feature available, so I'll teach you also how you can go on over and fix that. So go on over to your profile here at the lower right, and the hamburger icon in the upper right corner. Go on over to settings here, go over to help, and go on over to report a problem. So just report a problem here. So you can choose this option, and here you can upload and take a screenshot of that certain feature that you don't have available, and just explain to them that you don't have that feature. So for example, chat theme feature, like that. And okay, so just click on send here to Instagram, and then just wait for a couple of business days for Instagram to chat back to you. So okay guys, that is how you can change the chat theme on Instagram. Okay guys, that is all for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.